Hi everyone, Dennis Foley from Acoustic Fields. Today we're going to talk about fundamental loneliness and harmonic harmony. Come some attention getting words, let's break it down. Fundamental frequencies, harmonics are the tail, the fundamentals produce. Let's just break it up into low frequency, middle, and high frequency. Low frequency fundamentals produce middle and high frequency harmonics. There's the relationship. Frequency in real time, fundamental loneliness. You got to realize that the fundamentals have to act independently in order to create the harmonics. They can't be grouped together. They can't act together. A 30 cycle strike has to be 30 cycles. 40 has to be 40. Can't blur and smear together. The harmonics, on the other hand, they move together because they have first, second, and third order to them. Okay? So the fundamentals produce the harmonics, and the harmonics, you could call the fundamentals the parents, the harmonics are the children. You could almost say first order is the children, and second, third, fourth order are the grandchildren. Okay, so it's all kind of one big family. Let's look at the RTA clip here of some fundamentals. Notice how, 30, 40, 50, all moving independently of each other. Sometimes you'll see a hang, where it hangs at a certain frequency. That's a mode, and you have to understand that and treat accordingly. And then look at the harmonics in a clip. Look how they move together. So you have first order, second order, third order moving together, okay? So fundamentals are pressure-based, long wavelengths. So in order to get them to act independently and not like harmonics, they have to have lots of treatment in the room because you have to minimize the pressure. If you have too much pressure, it bleeds across octave bands, and you just smother and blur everything in the low end, and the harmonics will suffer. Harmonics are reflections, basically shorter in length. Think about it as sunshine. You can think about fundamentals as ocean waves. So that's how it all works together. You have to use different treatment types. I get calls every day where people are so confused about treatment types. If they would just back up a little bit and think pressure, reflections. I need one type of treatment for pressure, low frequency fundamentals. I need one type of treatment for harmonics, middle and high frequency issues. So there's no one size that fits all. I can't believe the companies out there that purport this kind of nonsense. You've got to use individual types. Now, one product can do two things. Our ACDA series does both pressure and reflections. Pressure with the carbon inside and the cabinet design. And then behind the fabric is our foam technology. So there's a product that does everything. We prescribe a lot of the ACDAs and a lot of the carbon panels. What's the difference? The ACDA series goes down to 30. The carbon panel starts at 40. You may not have 30 cycle issues in your room. It depends on a lot of issues. Dimensions for one, usage for others. You may not be even working in that frequency range. So the carbon panel is definitely a consideration for that situation. It's 12 inches deep. The ACDA units is 16. 4 inches doesn't sound like a lot, but when you have to place a lot of units in the room, losing 4 inches on the sidewall, 4 inches on the other sidewall is 8 inches. That can be dramatic in some small rooms. So fundamental loneliness, harmonic harmony, difference. They move differently. You can see that movement, and they needed to be treated differently. Pressure, reflections. Hope this helps. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video, and if you liked it, please give us a thumbs up. We also have a newsletter that you can subscribe to, so please do that because we offer special price discounts to only those on our newsletter. And then don't forget about our forum. We have started a forum on our own website where people ask questions, and I usually get a chance every couple of days to look at it. There's an interchange between people on the forum, and we'll give you real answers on a regular basis, so that'll help you. Thank you.